Good morning, SML students. Today I am going to solve some questions from the coordinate geometry. Distance formula, what I explained you yesterday. See, first of all, given a point whose coordinate is given 2 minus 4, and another 2 point given P and Q, which is equidistant from A, means PA and PQ are equal distance. Then you have to find the unknown value y. You follow? So PA and AQ are given equal distance. So first of all you find out PA by using the distance formula. PA, one coordinate you have to keep in mind x1 y1, other coordinate x2 y2. So suppose x1 y1 x2 y2. 2 minus 3 2. 2 minus 3 square plus minus 4 minus 8 minus 4 minus 8 square. This is P. Now AQ. So suppose this one x1 y1, then this will be x2 y2. So 2 minus plus 10 square plus minus 4 minus y square. 8. Since it is given P and AQ are given equal, so equalize the value. According to question, PA given equal to AQ. Equalize. Minus 1 square plus minus 12 square is equal to 12 square plus minus 4 minus y square. Now both sides are square this side, it will be moved squaring both the sides. So automatically it will be moved by squaring both the sides. Then minus 1 square plus minus 12 square is equal to 12 square plus minus 4 minus y square. 8. So 1 plus 144 plus this is take y common, minus common, then minus common, then 4 plus y whole square. 8. So 145 minus 144 is equal to minus 4 plus y whole square. Now this you have to expand on a plus b whole square. So 145 4 minus 1, this minus 1 minus 4 plus y whole square, minus will be cancelled. So we can write 1 is equal to a plus b whole square. A square means 4 square 16. 4 to that 8y plus y square. Or we can write y square plus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now you have to split the middle term, then you will get the true value of y. This is the one type of questions. Second type, collinear. Second type is collinear. What do you mean by collinear? 3 coordinates are given. You have to identify whether it is collinear or not. For the collinear, remember all the 3 points lie in the same straight line. Then it is collinear. So 3 points are given: 4, 2, 7, 5, 9, 7 are collinear. 8. So suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. This coordinate C. So how we show it is collinear? Collinear, 3 points lie in the same straight line, then it is said to be collinear. First of all, you find out AB. A given, this is B given, this is given, C is equal to AB. Then find out BC. By using the distance formula, take one coordinate x1 y1, then other coordinate x2 y2. BC, this one x1 y1, then this one x2 y2. Then finally find AC, A and C, x1 y1, then x2 y2. Now listen, if AB plus BC equal to AC, means this sum of distance of 2 points AB and BC equal to the third AC total, then the points are collinear. Do you follow? So if three coordinates are given, you have to find the collinear point. So first 2 points A and B, distance by using the distance formula. AB means length of AC, AB or distance of AB. BC means distance of BC. AC means distance of A and C by using only one formula, distance formula. Then finally, to check the collinearity, AB plus BC, see whether sum of these two equal to the third one. If sum of any two equal to the third, then it is collinear. Do you follow this type of question? Another one more type of question here. Given circle, right? Diameter of the circle is given. Diameter 10 root 2 unit. Center, this is the center of the circle, O. This center given 2a minus 7. This center given 2a minus 7. And find the value of the circle passing through the point. Another point given P here, that coordinate given 11 minus 9. These coordinates are given. Then you have to find the what is the value of it, means coordinate of the center you have to find. Since the diameter is given 10 root 5, it means radius will be half of the diameter. So 10 root 2 divided by 2 is 5 root 2. Now distance is given. So find out OP. OP means distance between O and P, both coordinates. So OP 2a minus 11 square plus a minus 7 a minus plus 9 square. And this distance of P is given how much? 5 root 2. So write here 5 root 2 is equal to 2a minus 11 square plus a plus 2 whole square. Now squaring both the sides. So squaring both the side, then 5 times 25 into 2 means 50. And this square root will be removed. 2a minus 11 square plus a plus 2 whole square. Now we have to simplify. This is based on 2a minus 11 square, a minus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square. So 2a square means 4a square minus 2a. So 2 to the 4 and 11 means 44a plus 121. This bracket, this one. A square plus 4a plus 4. So 50, 4a square plus a square, 5a square minus 44a plus 4a minus 40a, 121 plus 5, 4, 125. So 5a square minus 40a plus 125 minus 50 is equal to 0. So 5a square minus 40a plus 125 minus 50 plus 75 is equal to 0. Now split the middle term. You will get the two value of a, both answer is correct. One with the positive sign, other with the negative sign. So there will be two value of A, and both answer is correct. One positive value put, two A value, then one negative value put. So both coordinate will be correct. So this chapter, this much is there. It nothing is more. You have to use only one formula and you have to find the unknown value. Then you have to find the rhombus given four sides of suppose given rhombus ABCD given 1 2 3 0 minus 3 1 4 5. You have to prove that it is rhombus. How will prove? Find out AB by distance formula. Find out BC by distance formula. Find out CD by using distance formula. Find out AD by using the distance formula. If all sides are equal value is coming, then it is either rhombus or a square. Right? Then how you will distinguish it is rhombus or a square? Then next you have to find AC, diagonal AC you have to find, and diagonal BD. A and C, this coordinate and this coordinate, find AC, distance of AC. Then BD, this coordinate and this coordinate, distance of BD. If the diagonal AC and BD are not equal, then it proves it is rhombus, not a square. If it is equal, then it is a square, not a rhombus. So these days you have to complete this exercise. Next class I will start with the next chapter, maybe statistics. Thank you very much. So as a homework, you have to complete. I will ask you to show the homework. Thank you.